The reporting module on the CRM is actually a very, very powerful tool. If the CRM is being used as it should be used, you'll find that a lot of your reporting activities will simply be automated, simply because the team is entering the data on the system following a series of processes that you have defined, so that the data can be captured and reported on at any time. That is probably the single biggest advantage of using a CRM, having real-time information, up-to-the-moment information about exactly what's happening in your business. And what you will see here is there are a multitude of reports that you can create. You can organize them quite nicely. I'll look at the quotation reports, and I'll look at a quotation detail report here. What you will see is that you can see a table of all the information about all the quotes that are on the CRM at the moment. You have defined particular column headings or fields that you are interested in, and it's giving you all the data. Now, what you can quite easily do is create conditions whereby, for example, if you're only interested in quotes that where the deposit has been paid, you can simply specify it, and you can generate a report with just information on quotes that have received deposits. Similarly, you can add a number of the other criteria, whatever you like, provided that you're capturing that information, and you can filter reports accordingly. You can also have sort of total, the sum total of all the quotes that are on the system. You can calculate the average, the minimum, the maximum as well. You'll also see on the top right hand corner that you can export this report to CSV or Excel. This is quite simply export it there, and you simply open it as follows. So it's quite straightforward. What you can also do is customize the report to display exactly the way you want to display it. You can schedule the report as you like to. So for example, if you want to receive it daily, perhaps at the end of each day, you want to know how many quotes were generated by your team. That's quite easily possible by simply just designating a time, selecting the people who need to receive the email. Perhaps it's a few of you, or perhaps it's a group of you, and simply just got myself as the administrator. Click on next. Here you will actually see all the fields that you can possibly choose to display in the report itself. So if you want to say perhaps report when it was created, you want to group the report, say when it was created in ascending order. You can choose whether you want to sum, average, lowest, highest values. Click on next. And you will see that you can generate the report with all this information, and you can see that we've now added created time as well. What you will also find is that you can create charts as well using the graphing tool. So you can quite easily create bar charts, pie charts as well. There are additional modules that you can use to enhance the capability, but the standard product is also equally useful for what it can currently offer.